Well, good evening and welcome back. Rolling into the middle of July now, and this week is going to start off on a bit of a stormy note. We've got storm chances here the next 3 days as the muggy weather continues across the area. We're going to deal with that haze into tomorrow before we completely get rid of it, and then down the line, finally, a dry weekend. We've had a lot of those weekends with rain chances in the forecast in the previous month or so. Now we're going to see some things quiet down. But for the first note of us for tonight, we do have a level 2 risk across central parts of Kentucky for strong to severe storms. A level 1 risk still encompasses southeastern Kentucky as we go through as a front starts to work in. High winds and hail are going to be the two main threats for us. The tornadic activity looks very low. Flooding is also low. So we're just seeing when and where these storms are going to start to pop up. Now, looking at the satellite and radar, we can see there's a cold front in place, and watches are being issued up to the northern border of Kentucky right now, as well as far western Kentucky. We've got two different lines of storms that have developed, and they're free to move wherever they please here. As this cold front comes in, we may see this fill in between those two storms, and that's why we've got that threat here this evening. Now, Futurecast wants to get things going for us here in the next hour or so. If we do get a couple of those storms to pop, there's really nothing to stop them from becoming severe at this point. Lots of energy in the atmosphere, but Futurecast doesn't seem to think that a whole lot moves in for us until after 10 or 11 p.m. as this front is crawling along here this evening. So expect some stormy conditions into the very early portions of Tuesday morning, as well as we get into that morning commute starting to fire up around 5, 6 o'clock. Some storms may still be lingering across the area, and then we're going to see a bit of a break as we go into the middle part of the day. Some scattered shower and or thunderstorm activity certainly can't be ruled out as we have a very busy week of showers and storms. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday still seeing chances, good chances for some rain and thunder. By Friday, it starts to weaken, and by the weekend itself, wide open freedom for us here as we get away from those precipitation chances. Now, tomorrow's severe weather outlook stays to the west. It's going to be just a level 1 risk, but the entire state for Wednesday is in a level 1 risk for more severe storms. Same idea, hail and wind as these storms come in are going to be a possibility. So back to Tuesday here, we can see that by the middle of the day, we may get a couple of stronger storms to fire up for us here, and then a break again through the afternoon. Another round around 8 p.m. as we continue to watch our northwest skies as we head into Wednesday. Another complex of storms may clip portions of the state as we go into the middle of Wednesday, and it just keeps keeping on for us as we get into Thursday as well. Take a look at this. It's because we've got all of those oppressive dew points sticking in. By the weekend, we clear all that humidity out, so you only have to deal with it for a few more days to go along with some temperatures that are going to continue to teeter-totter between the low to mid 80s. Nothing oppressive in the temperature forecast for us across the board, but enough moisture and enough heat to keep those storm chances around through Friday. But look at that weekend forecast, something we look forward to, mid 80s and sunny. And you know what, Mitch? We're going to go ahead and pull all that humidity out to enjoy a really awesome weekend.